This is how to find transaction history on Binance. I'll be using both Binance app and Binance website on desktop to illustrate this. For you to find transaction history using Binance website, you come to this place. You can see this symbol, you click it, you come down, look at transaction history. This is transaction history. You click it. You'll be able to view your transaction history. You can now sort it according to deposit, withdrawal, auto deduction, and you can choose which one to sort. If it is withdraw, you see, you click withdraw. If you click withdraw, it's going to come out past 7 days, past 30 days, past 90 days. You can also sort with the kind of cryptos that you withdraw, or if it is deposit. This is how you find transaction history using Binance app. By default, as soon as you log on to Binance, you will see asset, this place. For you to find transaction history, you come to home, you click home. You come to this with this symbol like note, you click note. You are looking for transaction, look at it. This is your transaction history using Binance app. By the time you click it, you see all the past transactions that you've done. You will see the recent transactions that you have done, and you can scroll and load more. My name is John. If this video has added value to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.